Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. We will discuss about infancy here. Infancy lasts for 2 years from birth to 2 years, the stage infancy, and we'll start with the sensory ability of infancy. So what are the sensory abilities of an infant? The infant which is just born, are they able to see normally? Are they able to hear normally? So it is seen that newborns are actually, they prefer to look at some stimuli rather than everything. They prefer to look at the faces, and moreover the preference is for the face of the mother or the caregiver. At one year the vision is same as that of an adult, so the vision improves within the infancy stage. Next is the hearing ability. They can recognize their mother's voice just a few hours after birth. So here you can see the hearing ability is almost as same as that of an adult. Now what about the touch ability? Infant respond to touch and they can even feel pain. What about smell and taste? Both the abilities are well developed. After the sensory abilities, let's come to the next important ability, which is known as the reflexes. So what are reflexes? Reflexes are the involuntary actions, and the newborn is equipped with many different types of reflexes. So here is one which is known as grasping reflex. We all have experienced these particular reflex with the child. Whenever we put a finger on the top of the palm of a child, the child closes the finger and hold our fingers. This particular reflex is known as the grasping reflex, and it indicates that the motor development of the child is okay. So the indicator of the motor development is the grasping reflex, particularly the fine motor development, which includes smaller muscles like fingers. Next one is the startle or moro reflex. What is startle or moro reflex? Suppose there is a loud noise, the baby will suddenly throw his or her arms outwards. So this particular thing, when he startles, so this thing, the action of the baby throwing away the arms or legs, is known as the startle or moro reflex, which usually this particular reflex disappears in 6 to 7 months. So after 6 to 7 months this reflex is not there, but yes, before that it is important to be there, because it also indicates the proper development of the child. Next one is the rooting reflex. Rooting reflex means the child turns the head towards the thing which is touching the mouth. So if you are touching your finger toward the on the mouth of the child, near the mouth of the child, the child will turn the face towards that finger or that thing. So turning the head and opening the mouth when touched on the cheek or near the mouth is known as rooting reflex. And then we have Babinski reflex. When the bottom of the baby's foot, this part, when you stroke it, the toes fan out and then curl. First it will fan out toes and then it will curl. This particular reflex is known as Babinski reflex. So these are the four reflexes which are major indicator of the proper motor development of the child. Thanks for watching.